YouTube! Back at you again with another video. Alright, so today is one of those days where I'm gonna make some changes in life. That's right. I never thought I would be doing this, but man, I haven't seen this day coming. Since I was little, I was always intrigued with motorcycles and bikes and that sort of thing. But today is one of those days I came up with an opportunity to get my fingers and hands on a pretty cool bike. I think the bike is pretty cool. I like the design of it. I like the looks of it. There's this local dealership that I've been going to for about 6 months, 7 months. I want to say 7 months. I've been going to this dealership for about 7 months now. I plan on making some pretty cool changes to the channel. Not nothing crazy, nothing like that, but I do have some plans for the channel. I want to make another build series, but you know, funds are tight, and a lot of the stuff that I put on the Del Sol or the TSX are funds that are coming out of monies I use for my family, my mortgage, projects I'm doing around the house. So with all of my funds going to those things, it's kind of hard to continue work on the cars, if you will. But nevertheless, today I plan on having a new addition to my small collection, if you will, of vehicles. For the last six or 7 months or so, I've been going to this local dealership, and I just been going in there, kind of hanging out, talking to the sales reps and talking to the service reps there, and like on this channel a little bit later also. And yeah, man, I hope I don't lose a lot of subscribers for getting a bike, but I'm gonna try to make it fun. I'm not into moto vlogging. I don't know how. I've seen a couple of guys moto vlog, but I don't think I'll be as extreme or unique as those guys. I'm just gonna put my own twist on, like I do with the cars. I'm gonna put my own twist on the bike. I'm gonna put my own twist on my vlogs and that sort of thing. So, see you guys on the up and down. All right, YouTube. So check this out, man. Today is finally here, and I don't know what to do. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I've been thinking for a while about how to keep my channel alive and keep the content coming. The Del Sol, I pretty much hit a wall, man. Unless I can get the D16, the single cam VTEC motor, there's nothing else I can think of to do to the Del Sol. I mean, I can get the hood bra, but that'd be like a 3-minute video. Nothing much going on there. So I said to myself, I need to get something that I've never done before. I want to do something just left field. You know what I mean? Like something that, not to say that it's going to push most of you guys away, but something that I have never done before. And I was thinking to myself, you know what? I've always wanted a bike, not a bicycle, but a moto bike. And I finally got one. This is what I purchased today. This is a 2018, what is it, silver black. Oh man, it has 0 miles on it. Still got the printed factory stickers. Still got a lot of the, I gotta take all this extra stuff off, but it has 0 miles. But yeah, I just got this Grom 30 minutes ago. It's a paper tag, I guess I don't care, but yeah, that's the paper tag on the Grom. It comes with a pretty cool key, man. When I saw this key, I was like, what the heck is that? But it pops out like this. I'll show you guys. All right, so it has on it 5.5 miles from the dealership to my house. I want to do a build series on this bike, right? But I don't want you guys to think that I'm going to do a big bore kit, and I'm not going to tear this bike down completely and make it the fastest Grom in the world. No, that's not what my plans are for this Grom. I'm going to do some basic modifications. When I say basic, I mean eBay, Amazon modifications. Nothing too crazy. But I'm going to make this bike look as unique and as different as I can with my flavor, my kind of touch. Yeah, man. So I just want to share with you guys that this is a bone stock factory, only 5 miles on it from the dealership to my house. It's a 2018 Honda Grom. It is not the ABS version. I didn't want the ABS. It's a bit more expensive. And for this Grom, I think I got a pretty good deal. So yeah, man, tell me what you guys think. I am planning on doing some modifications like tomorrow. I'm just playing, not tomorrow. I got to order some stuff. But here's some of the things that I'm thinking about doing first. All right. When I got on this thing, oh man, the shocks, all right, I weigh about 180, 185, something like that. And the rear shock especially is so damn, the rear shock is trash. It is, man, hell no. And then I was making some corners, and as you can see, it's starting to already, this is like the line where it's showing where I'm bottoming it out. And man, these shocks are really trash. I thought when I saw the guys making these videos, they was doing modifications to the forks, changing out the rear shock. I was like, well, why are they doing that? Maybe I think they're still good. Oh man, they're not. The shocks on this bike it's scary. When I lean and turn, I'm like, whoa, and I just brake. I said, hell no, I just brake so I don't slip. But that's a modification I'm definitely gonna do. Let's do a quick poll. What should I do first? Should I do the handlebar? I want to get the Pro Taper handlebars. I want to change out. Oh man, I don't know if you guys know, these levers are the worst levers I've ever felt on a bike. So the reason why I got this, I'm all over the place right now, but the reason why I got this bike is because I had a friend that had one, and he didn't have this exact one. He had I think it was a Kawasaki XZX 125, I think it's called, and he let me ride it, and I was like, man, this is pretty cool. He had the short levers, and these mirrors. I don't know. I don't understand why Honda makes stuff like this. But while I was driving, I don't like these mirrors for anything. I'd rather look over my shoulder than look into these mirrors. But whatever. Let me just get to the point. I'm thinking about doing the Pro Taper handlebars, the bar end mirrors, the short levers, and changing the grips. That's one idea. So for instance, let me explain. If I'm going to do the handlebar, I want to do the entire handlebar. Like I want to do the levers, the mirrors, the grips, the bar ends, all in one shot. Knock all that out. Boom, the handlebars are done. Then if I'm going to do the suspension, I'm going to do the front, I want to do the whole thing. So change out both fronts to the Owens, or do the fork modification, which is if I'm going to do it, I'm going to use the fork oil 20 weight. Because of the gear that I wear, it makes me about 200 pounds. And then the rear shock. I'm not going to get the Owens. That's $500. You crazy? I'm not going to spend $500 on no shock. I do plan on doing the exhaust. I do plan on doing the intake. The injector, I want to get the 150cc injector. I do plan on doing the fender eliminator. So what do you guys think I should start with first? This is the poll. Should I do the Pro Taper handlebar setup, or should I do the fender eliminator and front mount flush with the relay? All right, so tell me what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.